Hello guys, thank you for tuning in to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to change your oil in a 1.6 Miata. This is a 1992 Miata, and we have been doing a few videos using this Miata on the channel, so if you want to see more of those, go to my channel, look for the Miata playlist, and check it out. So let's get started. Okay guys, what you want to do first thing is either warm your engine up or change it cold. I prefer to warm my engines up, but on this Miata today we ain't got a battery in it, so we're going to be changing the oil with the oil cold. It just seems I always prefer doing it warm because it circulates through the motor and it, you know, just gets more deposits and stuff. That's my personal feelings, but long as the oil comes out, that's the main thing. Now your oil filter on a 1.6 is located right here. So what you want to do is either put the car up on jack stands or get you a jack and jack the car up. Once you get the car jacked up or on ramps, put you a jack stand underneath of it or something in case it falls. You don't want it to fall on you, so always put something for safety underneath of it, no matter how sturdy it is. Okay, the oil drain plug is right here, and it's a 3/4. You can use a socket and ratchet, loosen it. I done got this one loose. Once you do that, you can get you some gloves or just use your bare hands, whichever one you prefer. Get your drain plug, not drain plug, but get your drain pan underneath the bolt hole so you can catch the oil. And that is a Miata oil. It's been 4,000 miles since it was changed, and yeah, it's overdue. So we will let that drain and go ahead and remove the oil filter. Ooh. I'm going to try to go through the top to get to this oil filter. I'm going to have to put the phone down to do it. So I'll be right back with you guys. Okay, it was snug and we got it. It come off pretty easy. At least I didn't have to go under the car, but if you have to, you can go underneath the car and get to this oil filter. It's a little cramped, but either way you want to do it works. So make sure your drain pan is underneath of it too, but it's going to hit mostly the cross member, so you ain't going to catch it all, if any. But here's the oil filter. Make sure its seal comes off. And it was a Flam Tough Guard. So let's get a new oil filter out. The CarQuest brand, you can pick these up pretty cheap at your local Advance or CarQuest. And as you can see, you can tell the difference in them at the holes and stuff, but these are decent little filters for the price. I mean, you get what you pay for. I wanted a Wix and they didn't have a Wix. That's usually something you find at Napa. But you know, we're gonna throw this CarQuest brand one on. Okay, make sure to put you some oil around the lip of that new wing. It's not a have to, but it always helps with sealing them up. You can put a little bit of oil in your filter, but the side mount filters, it just make the mess. It'll pump it up to it. So let's go ahead and install the filter. Okay, as you can see, we are going to go ahead and install a drain plug. You can buy new gaskets for these drain plugs. They do help. This one is pretty much got a new gasket, as you can see, and still very usable. So we are just going to go ahead and install the drain plug just the way it comes out. And you want to make sure it don't cross thread. It should screw in pretty easy. And now you can take your socket and ratchet and snug it up. Don't over tighten it because you can strip it. Just snug it up good and you be good to go. You can take off your oil fill cap, which is right here. It says Miata on it. Then got it off. And this little baby holds pretty much 4 quarts of oil. So let's go ahead and get our oil, which in this Miata, it gets Wotail 15W40 It calls for a little bit thinner oil, but these Miatas can be noisy. And the Otella seems to do a good job in this little engine and many other engines that I run it in. So, very good go-to brand of oil. And it is getting springtime and summertime, so running a little bit thicker oil on this little older model Miata should not hurt it at all. But I recommend running whatever your owner's manual says run. But to each their own, this is what I run. Then he's going to fill the Miata on up. That is pretty much 4 quarts, so it will take the whole thing. There she goes. Okay, before you start your car, you want to check your oil, make sure it's touching the dipstick. Start your car, check your car for leaks, make sure it ain't leaking nowhere. Let it warm up, and if it ain't leaking nowhere, shut it off and you should be good to go. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this how-to video on changing your oil on a Miata, and pretty much an update video on the Miata. Man, you can check out the channel for more daily videos, and hit that subscribe button, and until the next video, I'll see you then.